Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel where we do art and cooking, my two top of the things other than writing. And here I've got a colorful girl going down. I'm using again those Jane Davenport face stencils, so much fun. And I've been sick again, and so it's nice to have a little stencil there to get you going when your brain's a little bit fuzzy. And you just stick it down there. And then I gave her a little top knot bun there and a little double-breasted suit coat with a lacy top coming out. So here I'm just giving her some color. I'm using actually my Arteza gouache that I got a little empty tin, and I'll try to remember to leave the link down below. Oh, if I don't, put a comment in there. Help me remember. But where I filled the tin with Arteza gouache tubes that I had from actually quite a while ago when they first came out with two sets of gouache, the regular and the pastels. And so I squeezed a bunch of those into the half pans, and then the lid goes on. So so far they've been staying wet and fine. So you can always give them a little spritz with some water and then put the lid on just to keep them moist. But I'm just kind of layering some blue flowers on top of there. And then I'm going in with some watercolor to do her outfit. And I think it's my Kiritaki Gansai Tambi ones to the left that you can't see there. They're off camera. And just giving her some layers of colors and blues and teals. And I think you can probably see her eyes were blue there. So very matchy, I guess. But she's fun. Yeah. Those face stencils from Jane Davenport. Love Jane Davenport stuff. Don't have the whole collection anymore because it's hard to keep up with everything. She comes out with a lot of neat things. But back when she, of course, I had the older stuff when she came out with her first products in the U.S. anyways with at Michael's. And but these were are they called face-to-face? Face-to-face? I want to say it's face-to-face stencils, and they are fun. It's a fun collection, and like I said, kind of get you springboarding off, and then of course you can do all sorts of things with it, but as you can see here, something a little unconventional, but lots of fun. So just giving her some rosy cheeks and flesh tones. Do you guys have Jane Davenport goodies? Do you love them? What's your opinion about that? And the Arteza gouache, if you've got that. I have not splurged and purchased expensive gouache yet because I still feel like I'm learning to use it. So I like using my Himi gouache or the Arteza gouache, where it's not super expensive, and you feel like you can kind of get to know gouache a little bit, I guess. It's like opaque watercolor to me, but it does leave, when it dries, a bit of a chalky finish, especially the Arteza. I feel like it leaves a little more chalky finish than the Himi gouache, but I don't know if that's my imagination or if that really is what it is. And of course the light fastness. Now Arteza does, I believe, put light fastness ratings on their tubes and transparency, those kinds of things. The Himi, not so much that I'm aware of anyways. If I'm wrong about that, you can leave that comment down below about where we can find that information. Went off to give her a dry with my heat tool, and now I'm going in with that color with a little bit of that like sea teal sort of fun, lovely color there. And yeah, she was fun. I'm on a face kick. I get on these kicks where it's just like, I draw a bunch of that. And then I switch to flowers. And then I switch to animals and birds. And I don't know. You know, the creative brain, it just kind of does what it wants to do. So, yeah. And lots of new things coming to various places, my YouTube channel, my website, and my Etsy shop. So check out those links below. Thank you guys for spending time with me today. I hope to see you in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. That would be great. Have a great day.